Cajun seasoning off the nose. Let's wait. All right, let's get that bread. 0 net carbs. Hey guys, Busy Mommy here, and today we're gonna do a quick recipe for 90-second bread. So I don't know how many of you, or even something you could do at work. One of the things that I miss with keto is bread, and I try to find it many different ways. I buy this low carb bread that I use, but this is a really quick way for you to make like a fast bread, and you can make it at work, you can make it in the morning for breakfast and have like a breakfast sandwich. It's really good. So breakfast sandwich, 90-second bread. Let's do this. Okay. You're going to get yourself a ramekin or a mug. You can do this in a mug as well. Just make sure that they're microwave safe and that they can obviously withstand heat. And you're going to melt 1 tablespoon of good butter. I use Kerrygold butter. You're going to use really good butter, and you're going to melt it and you're going to move it around so that the edges are all nice and coated. Yum. All right, so once that happens, you're going to then take 4 tablespoons of your favorite almond flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, scratch that. You're gonna take 5 tablespoons of your favorite almond flour and 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. So I like coconut flour, but as many of you that use it know, it takes different things to make it work. So I incorporate it because I think incorporating both flours makes for a better bread. But that being said, we have 5 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up a little bit. Just mix a little bit. It's gonna get stuck. Okay. To this, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it up. And then I'm gonna add some of my favorite Cajun seasoning because I like my breads, when I make biscuits and stuff, I like them seasoned. Adding a little garlic powder. You could add garlic powder and cheese to this and make yourself some cheddar biscuits from a specific restaurant that you like. So you're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna add 1 egg, which I forgot to grab. So I'm gonna grab that and put it in. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 egg to this mix. Mix it all up. Now, to be honest, I went to the fridge to get the egg, right? So I was like, I'm just gonna add a little cheese to it. So I'm gonna add a little parm to this. Really, you can make this however you want. It's your bread. It's however you want to taste it. So I got that incorporated. I'm gonna throw that in the sink. We're gonna throw a little bit of cheddar in here. Cheddar, Parmesan. This is my day-to-day. I don't even know. So now I'm just gonna use my spoon to incorporate it all in. All right, that is in. I'm gonna try to flatten it a little bit so that it's not crazy. I'm gonna flatten it. All right. Now you're going to microwave on high for 90 seconds, minute and 30 seconds. Then we'll come back and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It smells so good. Ready to try. Let's wait. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that for a minute and 30 seconds. That's ridiculous. But while we're waiting, if you don't mind, like, subscribing, and commenting below what you put in your bread, what you wanna put in your bread. Have you used this bread? And then I'll link some of my ingredients below if you want to try. This is my favorite almond flour. This is my favorite coconut flour. Anthony's is probably my favorite for any of these things. I order them on Amazon, makes it really easy. So anyway, if you want to try any of these things, we'll link it below. Okay, came out of the microwave. This is what it looks like, fluffed up, all nice and fluffy. Obviously, if you make it smoother, it's gonna look nicer, and there it is, pops right out. Here is your bread. Woo. I'm gonna trim the edges just to make it a little prettier. And I'm just gonna eat it. I'm just kidding, I'm just gonna cut it in half because it doesn't really matter because it's for you. So, cut it in half. Now you have biscuits. Now you have like quick bread. I mean, it's like really good. One pro tip here. I'm gonna go ahead and toast this bread a little bit with some butter in a pan, because then you can make some sausage gravy to put on top of this and make yourself some keto biscuits and gravy. I can't. Just so good. So I'll go ahead and post that later. Okay. So we've toasted it up all nice, ready to be added to whatever you want. I think that this makes an awesome sandwich. You could probably make 4 out of this, to be honest, but we're gonna go ahead and taste it the way it is. Oh my gosh. Just by itself, it's really good. And honestly, I think this would make a great snack. A great bread to top with eggs. It's actually not very dry, which is awesome. And it takes 90 seconds in the microwave. Literally, maybe it takes me like a minute and a half to put all the ingredients together. And then boom, you have a bread in under 5 minutes. That's amazing. So go ahead and make this. Tell me what else you added to it, but it is super delicious, super good. And you know the best part about it? Net carbs for this is 0. There are 9.3 grams of carbs and 9.1 grams of fiber in this. 0 net carbs. So why wouldn't you make this? Make yourself some sunny side up eggs. Make yourself some biscuits and gravy. Put it on this and you're golden. So now I'm gonna ask you what I always ask you. If you like my tips and tricks, please like, subscribe, and comment. Please view the other videos here. The videos that we have are gonna be the video about our 1 week check-in. Please check that out. And in that 1 week check-in, make sure you comment and let me know what's going on. I hope you like this recipe. We'll keep coming with new recipes every week. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Talk to you later. Bye. Dang, this is good.